Hey guys, I'm back again with another YouTube video, and today we'll be talking about muscle growth or the lack of it. For those of you who exercise at the gym and are following a routine to build up your forearm muscles, but after weeks of sticking to your routine, you can't observe any notable changes and you have no idea what you're doing wrong. Well, I made this video just for you. Through the course of this video, I'll be telling you about 7 possible reasons why your shoulders are not growing. Let's get into it. Number 1. You ignore the deltoids. While exercising and building your upper body muscles, you pay great attention to your back, chest, and abs because these areas give your upper body most of its mass and strength, neglecting your shoulder muscles in the process. To build up your shoulder muscles, you need to prioritize deltoid training, either on a separate day or as part of your upper body workout routine. Make sure to employ the most effective exercises available to build up all 3 heads of your shoulder muscles. Number 2. Too much weight, bad form. While performing exercises like bench presses, if you use too much weight, you probably can only complete half the range of motion, which prevents you from utilizing this exercise to its full potential. Your form while performing raises and presses also determines the effects these exercises have on your muscles. The best way to remedy this is to halve your current weight and practice to get a perfect form. Constant practice will ensure your hands get used to the movement and the exercise will be able to work your muscles properly. Number 3. You aren't contracting your deltoid properly. This goes with maintaining a proper form while performing shoulder building exercises. Compromising form for more weight will prevent the proper contraction of your deltoid because you'll recruit more muscles to lift the weight and could also compromise your safety. You need to focus on performing your exercises with the proper form and the deliberate contraction of the working muscle to properly stimulate it for better results. Number 4. Your reps are too low. Piling on the weight and going for low reps while shoulder training is not the proper way to build up your shoulder muscles. You probably lift heavy weights while training your back and chest muscles anyway. To build up your shoulder muscles, try reducing the weight and going for more reps in each set. Now, there's a difference between performing more reps and performing easier reps. Just because I said a reduced weight doesn't mean you'll make your routine super easy. Just line up a little and aim for higher reps to target your muscle fibers a little more. Number 5. You lack balance. Performing presses with a little work on your lateral shoulder muscles and no work on the posterior muscles is not a balanced program to follow if you want to build up your muscles. If you continue with this routine, your physique will eventually show it, with out of proportion shoulders. If you're guilty of this, the way to make amends, you need to add other exercises that target other areas of your shoulders. After performing exercises that work on your lateral shoulder muscles, also perform others that work on your medial and posterior muscles as well. Number 6. You don't exercise frequently enough. Another factor that could be inhibiting your shoulder muscle growth is the frequency of your training. Going to the gym once per week just won't cut it, especially if you're prioritizing a weak point. A higher frequency of training might just be what you need to get your muscle train going. Also, the fact that you'll train your muscles more often in a week gives you the option of reducing the set of reps performed each day. Number 7. You're not consuming enough calories. Your calorie consumption also affects the growth of your muscles when you exercise. For you to maximize muscle growth, you need to up your calorie intake, but you need to be careful not to increase your calorie intake so that it causes fat gain. A calorie surplus target of between 5 to 8% is just enough to maximize muscle growth while reducing the chances of fat gain. Any of these reasons could be the cause of the stagnancy in your muscle growth. Check yourself, see if any applies to you, and try to correct yourself and give your muscles a chance to grow as they should with proper exercise. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and consider leaving a like if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more fitness tips. Also, leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts.